Hey you all, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today we're going to make pasta salad. So let's get started.
If you're a kid like me, make sure to have help from an adult with an oven or a knife. Thanks for watching Mama's Kitchen. Hope you have a great cooking experience.
Okay, this is a large pan. I filled it up about 3/4. It's got to be covering the noodles good when it starts boiling. Okay, I've put the water on to boil and I've already put a tablespoon of salt in it. So I'm going to put, and it wasn't salty enough, I'm going to put another one. And that should do it. And when this comes to a rolling boil, we'll put in our noodles. Okay, I'm going to put in this 12-ounce box of colored noodles. Okay, it'll stick at first just a little bit, so you stir it once and let it go back to a rolling boil, and then you start counting your time. It's usually like 12 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to cut up 4 green onions. Okay, I'm just cutting tomatoes now. We're going to get like half a cup after they're cut. Okay, it's going to be like a little over half a cup of tomatoes. And we need to see how the pasta's doing. Okay, we're going to pour this through the colander and get rid of the hot water. And we've got to cool it down real good. Yeah, you need to make sure you get it cooled all the way down because it'll clump and it won't taste good. So this is all cool now. We'll just let it drain a while we're doing the vegetables. Okay, we've got our noodles all drained. And now we're just going to put all our stuff in here. It's a little over half a cup of the olives. We're going to just pick this whole thing up like this. Yes. Way to go. Spoon. Now we're just going to put in our Wishbone Italian, or it's the house Italian. It's kind of hard to find. It's a better one. You can use plain Italian, but I like the one with a little cheese in it better. Smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's ready to serve. This is the first time that Mallory's tried it and she's discovered she likes it, don't you, baby?
Mm-hmm. Please subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss any episodes of Mama's Kitchen. Hope you enjoy this recipe.
What am I saying? Where am I starting from? I've lost out. Now I'm going to cut it. Wait, let me get a measuring thing.
Thanks for watching Mama's Kitchen. Hope you have a great cooking experience and hope you love this recipe. Please, I do not like that.